What's up, guys?
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to another video, and today we're reacting to Train vs. Pit, Mr. Beast.
His latest video. So we're gonna react. We Mr. Beast fans, of course, just like all of you are. So probably, but we at least know you're Jaxon Mega fans, right?
Yep.
All right, so we get this started. All right, Train versus Giant Pit. What is Mr. Beast up to now?
I just bought this train and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there.
Did he just say he bought a train?
Huh?
He just said he bought a train.
Well, let's rewind that, because that doesn't look like that does not look like a real train.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
This dude.
I can't tell if those explosions are real or not.
I don't know.
They kind of look fake and real.
Mm-hmm. 100,000 fireworks. How much money do you gotta have to buy a
What if it
train?
explodes when they're in there? Probably $100,000.
Maybe more.
Who put it in the front porch?
Oh, bruh. All right, what's he about to do? This dude must got 1,000 fireworks in the house. Oh, he's like a real bomb. Wow.
That's cool.
Oh, see that big old explosion? Oh,
if it was
confidence in him.
He would have been oofed.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh no. Oh. Wait till you see what happens after.
I mean, that was crazy how one little firework can start like a bomb.
Yeah.
And just blow everything up.
But that was 10,000? I forgot.
100,000.
That was 100,000 of those 4th of July things.
Yeah, you're right. All right, let's see. But then you see it almost shot to their house. It almost burnt the house they were in.
Yeah. It almost burnt the house they were in.
All right, here we go.
It's on flames.
Oh, it collapsed.
Oh.
The mannequins didn't even try.
Yeah.
First of all.
Pause.
What?
Who do you think's gonna win? 2 buses or a tank? The tank. No, the school buses can hold 50 kids.
So, what's your point?
They go fast.
They don't go that fast.
And the tank is a tank.
True. Tank got full heavy metal, and
it's literally part of the military.
Right. So who you think will win?
Tank.
All right, I think buses. Y'all write or leave a comment and y'all let us know what y'all think. But I think it's gonna be the bus.
If you already seen it,
tell us anyway.
Yeah, but I already seen it. So.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh. The remote control tank? Bruh, okay.
Life size too?
All right.
Do you think he bought that or rented it?
Bought it. He be buying everything. Oh, the tank. Oh, it's not even close.
Yeah, because if it fell in the tank,
who's controlling the buses?
They
are still? Wow. You ever seen a bus fall in a pit? First of all, did they make that? Wait, pause. Did they make that pit just for this video?
Oh my God!
That would be crazy.
Did they make that? Did they make that train track just with?
No, it was a tank.
Yeah.
But we'll see as soon as it'll be a train.
But why was there a train track there? And it said trains or stuff.
I know you're right. That's a lot of money to move a lot of dirt. Do you know that? To dig a big hole like that.
It is, but how much?
But you're in the camera, bruh.
Like how much?
I don't even know a hole like that. Might be $100,000 or more.
How much do you think the fireworks cost?
If it's 100,000 fireworks, they're probably over $1 each. 150, 200,000.
What if it just collapsed on the window and there?
Oh wow. 50,000.
50,000?
Oh, what's he about to do?
That looks fake.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little. What if you use
Nothing's gonna be left.
What if you use TNT to beat TNT?
Yes. He gonna blow up his money. Oh, bruh. Ooh. The water was not a bad idea. What's this? A jet engine on the car?
10?
Oh, how does he come up with these ideas, bruh?
I don't know. Bro, that's Mr. Beast's friend. Why did he say that?
Who's driving? It's still remote control?
No, it's not remote control.
'Cause
I think it might be. Yeah, it's probably remote. Yeah.
I lost signals.
Oh no.
They got a literal
What
remote
if they
control.
missed the ramp and then just ran into the back first spot?
Wow. How did he come
It
up
did
with
like a complete somersault. Or, yeah, somersault.
Dang. That was amazing.
Left
Oh.
the crater and a what?
Look at the engine. The engine came out.
Just popped.
First of all, I can't imagine what it would feel like to be in a car with 10 jet engines shooting you. I mean, we've been in like a Tesla in ludicrous speed. I don't know if you were there, but Jonah was there. And that was scary. This got 10 jet engines on it, bro. And it went so fast it cleared all those buses. That's fast.
Mm-hmm. The kid cat said he wanted to be in it until he saw the crash.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Completely missed.
How did they get the train track to bend like that? That's the question.
True. Do you think you would survive?
I don't know. Hopefully in those balls, yeah. I mean, we used to have a minivan like that. That's that old school. The Chrysler. Oh, God.
I was not expecting that.
R.I.P. Carl.
The 2 times I watched this, I didn't expect it both of those times, even if I watched it one time.
Really?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, he put, okay.
Oh.
Double the TNT.
Double the money. So just double the supplies.
All right, so, woo, I hope he get it.
How much do you think he'll get out of the 100,000? How much do you think will blow up?
Let's see. Let's see what the final structure is like. Oh. Where is it going?
Run.
How did they control it?
It's actually
Ooh.
turning around still.
No, I think he restarted it. Oh, you right, bruh.
I'm gonna try. It's still turning around.
That's funny.
Dude, it's still right there.
Look. Ooh.
I saw it moving.
Somebody was in the way.
I saw it still moving. So.
What? How did they rig that to pull the string and go?
I do not know.
Oops. All right. Dang.
Why are you putting
And water on the outside. Mattress just so they can burn up before the next thing burn up. Oh, he put
so he probably won't blow it up because there's...
Oh, smart. From the Squid Game episode number 40, or was it?
That it was from 100.
Oh, that one, okay.
And his name is John C.
Oh, I think I saw some money fly out.
That looks
Bruh.
fake. That cloud looks fake, but the explosion looks real now. Ooh.
Run.
Oh, wait, maybe. Oh, nice. He lost only 5,000.
Train into a pit.
All right, here we go.
Why did they have a back part to it that looks like it's filled with gas?
Oh, the fuel car.
Oh.
Gosh.
No, why did they put that on the back?
I hope Hershey don't sue him for saying stop eating Hershey.
Two.
Maybe it sounds like he got in a fight with Hershey. Uh-oh. He bought a train, bro. We need to look up how much that cost.
I don't know why they put a fuel tank on the back, but okay. It looks like
oh, the mannequin's like, I gotta go. I ain't going down with y'all.
he jumped off. Huh? Oh!
Ooh. Hopefully that was empty. Looked like it was.
Of course.
Nice.
Bruh.
Mr. Beast does it again, y'all.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Beast. So I hope y'all like that video. I hope y'all like our reaction. We're Mr. Beast fans. Stay tuned for more reactions, more Roblox games, and more real life videos.
Yep.
You think got anything you want to say to your fans?
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yep.
Because it's rare.
It's rare right now.
Once we have like 150,
it's not gonna be as rare.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe right now.
We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. So when you see this video,
Or
subscribe.
best 1,000.
Yes, we want to get to 1,000 ultimately.
Yes.
All right.
But first we need to get it to 100.
Yes. All right. Yeah.
Subscribe to Mr. Beast and us. Yeet!
Yeet.